Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today we will talking about 5 amazing dangerous heavy equipment machines working at another level. Let's start! Firstly, introducing the Versatility Woodcrackers W1350, your ultimate woodworking buddy. Looking to conquer woodworking project with ease and precision? Look no further than the remarkable Versatility Woodcracker W1350. This magnificent machine is a woodworker's dreams come true, packed with features that will leave you in awe. First and foremost, the Woodcrackers W1350 is a true powerhouse. With its robust motor and cutting-edge technology, it effortlessly slides through timbers like a hot knife through butters. Whether you are crafting delicate furniture or tackling hefty beams, this machine will handle it or with finish. Precision is the name of the game when it comes to woodworking, and the Woodcrackers W1350 doesn't disappoint. Equipped with a state-of-the-art laser guide, it ensures your cuts are always on point, even for the most intricate designs. Say goodbye to crooked edges and hello to flawless craftsmanship. Safety is of the most importance, and the makers of the Woodcrackers W1350 understand that. This machine is aimed with top-notch safety features, including an automatic blade stop and a user-friendly emergency stop button. Your well-being is their priority, allowing you to work with peace of mind. Versatility is another key characteristic of the Woodcrackers W1350. It accommodates various wood sizes and angles, making it the ideal companion for both amateurs, enthusiasts, and seasoned professionals. This machine adapts to the need, allowing you to unleash your creativity without limitation. Next, we have the Terramac RT14R, the ultimate crawler career for any terrains. Ready to conquer any terrain? Look no further than the Terramac RT14R. This versatile machine is designed to handle the tough-fit environments and transport heavy load with ease. Equipped with a powerful engine delivering an impressive horsepower of 225, the RT14R has the strength to navigate through muds, rocks, and uneven surfaces effortlessly. No terrain is too challenging for these crawler carriers. With a payload capacity of up to 28,000 pounds, the RT14R can transport equipment, materials, and machinery with ease. Say goodbye to multiple trips and hello to efficient and productive transportation. Safety is a top priority, and Terramac take it seriously. The RT14R is equipped with an advanced safety features, including rollover protection system, ergonomic seating, and excellent visibility, ensuring a secure working environment for operators. Versatility is a key feature of the RT14R. Its interchangeable bed options allow for customization based on specific needs. Whether you require a flat bed, dumb bed with a tank or special attachment, the RT14R can be configured accordingly, giving you the flexibility to tackle various tasks. Built to withstand the toughest conditions, the RT14R is a durable workhorse. Constructed with high-quality materials, it delivers reliable performance years after years, ensuring your investment lasts. Moving on to the case 2050M Bulldozer, the mighty machines that move mountains. Prepare to be amazed by the sheer power and versatility of the case 2050M Bulldozer. This magnificent beast is a fox to be reckoned with, designed to conquer the toughest terrain and move mountains literally. When it comes to raw power, the 2050M Bulldozer reigns supreme. equipped a robust engine boasting an impressive horsepower up to 1.7. This machine delivers relentless strength to push through the dense soil, rock and debris like a true champion. No hill is too steep, no obstacle too daunting for this unstoppable fox. Precision is the key in any earth-moving operation, and the 2050M bulldozer delivers in speed. With advanced hydraulic control and responsive joystick, it allows for precise maneuvering and grading with ease. You'll be sculpting the land like an astic, achieving smooth and level surface every time. Versatility is where these mighty machines truly shines. Whether you are clearing land for construction, building road or shaping landscape, the 2050M bulldozer is your ultimate ally. It offers a wide range of attachment and configuration, allowing you to tackle various tasks with efficiency and finishes. Durability is the backbone of the 2050M bulldozer, constructed with high-quality materials and built to withstand the harshest conditions. This machine is a true workhorse that will stand the test of time. You can rely on it day in and day out, knowing it won't let you down. Next, the Terramac RT14R Bucket, your reliable excavating companion. We're ready to conquer your excavation tasks with the Terramac RT14R Bucket. These mighty machines combine power, efficiency, and durability to make your digging and scooping jobs a breeze. The TRS1375 Bucket boasts impressive power thanks to its robust hydraulic system and high-performance motor. With a maximum power output of 350 horsepower, it effortlessly handles various materials, from rock and earth to grave and debris. Say goodbye to time-consuming manual labor and hello to efficient excavation. Precision is the key, and the TRS1375 Bucket delivers. Its advanced control system and responsive joystick give you complete command over your digging and placement. With accuracy and ease, you'll be able to tackle your excavation project with confidence. Versatility is another highlight of the TRS1375 Bucket. It can easily adapt to various excavator and applications, making it suitable for a wide range of projects. Whether you are in construction, mining, or landscaping, this bucket is your go-to companion for efficient and effective excavation. In conclusion, the Terramac RT14R Bucket is the excavating booty you have been searching for. With its powerful motor delivering 350 horsepower, precision control, safety features, versatility, and durability, it's the ultimate tool for any excavation task. Say goodbye to back-breaking work and hello to effortless digging with the TRS1375 Bucket. Get ready to conquer your excavation project with ease. Lastly, demolish with style and precision using the Hitachi KMC600. Get ready to unleash the power of Hitachi's KMC600 in building demolition. These incredible machines combine strength, efficiency, and precision to make your demolition project a breeze. With a robust engine delivering an impressive horsepower of 630, the KMC600 has the raw power needed to bring down structure effortlessly. From small building to towering edifice, this machine demolishes them all with ease, leaving a path of destruction on its wake. Precision is the key to successful demolition, and the KMC600 excels in this aspect. With advanced control system and responsive joystick, you have complete control over every movement. It allows you to strategically dismantle structure with surgical precision, ensuring a safe and controlled demolition process. Safety is the top priority and Hitachi have you covered. The KMC600 is equipped with top-notch safety features to protect operator and bystander. Reinforced cabin structure and intelligent load management system ensure a secure working environment, giving you peace of mind during demolition. In conclusion, the Hitachi KMC600 is your ultimate machine for building demolition. With its powerful 630 horsepower engine, precision controls, safety features, versatility and durability, it's the perfect tool for bringing structure down with size and efficiency. Say goodbye to manual labor and hello to the whole new level of demolition mastery with the KMC 600. Get ready to make a lasting impact as you demolish building with confidence. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, make sure you don't forget to like. And if you subscribe to my channel, we will definitely appreciate it. See you next time.